Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I design this website. Yeah, kind of a lot of functions. You can do a lot of things, have a lot of plans and the rest. So basically, I'm going to show you guys how I designed this, and I'm going to show you the admin dashboard, how it looks like. It has a lot of themes. I'm going to preview on this so you see it. There's a lot of themes. You can just activate any theme if you like. So I'm going to activate this theme now. Just hold on a sec for it to completely load. So we're done activating themes. So once you just reload the website, it's going to change to that theme. You can see there's a lot of themes. You can see this theme. So we can also go back and just activate this other theme also, which is the green template. So we can just refresh this page and you're going to see the theme in action basically. So once it just load, just hold on a sec for it to load. Kind of taking quite some time, so patient. While wait for this to load, I'm going to be showing you guys it has a lot of things. That's 4 different themes to be precise. So I think it's downloading, so you can see there's other theme also. You can just change it to this. I'm gonna also activate this here. So and just click on to preview the work. Why this is also, you can just navigate. So basically that a function. You can manage admin role by allocating responsibility to different users by giving them the ability for them to also use this. So it has plans, schedule, it has a view whereby you can get automatic money added to your plan when you invest in your plan. So it has a general setting where you can see all settings, basically. You can change the primary color, you can change the plan, the currency, change the location, add a lot of API key, add API key to it if you want to add the API key when you want to receive messages, withdrawal limit, that's copyright. It has a lot of things, and SMS verification, email verification, user verification, KYC verification. If you put it on, you can see that in play. So basically a lot of things. That's manual payment, automatic payment. If you want to do any of that, you can also set it in place. So currently there's no data in place currently, so it has a lot of stuff that has a plan. So it has withdrawal also. You can manage withdrawal and the rest. I'm going to show you how this works once we're done building this. To manage deposits, currently we have any deposit in place. Also it has ticket when a user make a complaint or something like that. So basically there are a lot of function. Email manager, and this is where you configure your email. You're going to just put your webmail here and set it up by putting the password, SMT pattern, and rest basically, and update it. So email templates. Yeah, basically this is not like a template for each message. You can edit templates to see what you want to change it to, what you want to receive, basically something like that. So user interest, that's the interest I told you about. That is real. Front end edit, you can change front end by adjusting anything you want to adjust in the front end. Yeah, so that's that about that. So let me get into the main deal. So basically once you want to do something like this, first thing you need to do is for you to get your cPanel. Now I believe you know what's called a cPanel already, right? So if you don't know what it's called a cPanel, you can check one or two of my videos. You can see how to get a cPanel. You can get from any of the hosting platform, Namecheap, Google's, or any of them at all. You can just go to the website and get a cPanel. Now basically this is how you get a cPanel. You get your domain and hosting, and if you get from the same platform, you link them both. They will be linked automatically. But if you don't get from the same platform, you link their DNS. So basically once you don't get in, you're going to be given this. So once you're given this, the next thing for you to do now is you just click upload. and once you click upload, you're going to upload the file itself. So I'm going to click on this. I already have the file on my cPanel already, so I'm going to upload this. Once you click on this, you upload, and once you're done uploading that, once you're done uploading, like, you go back to your to this particular folder. Now basically this is, I'm using this particular folder, but when you want to do yours, let me show you what you do. You click on your home page. You see this public underscore HTML, that's what you're going to click on. Then you see here, that's where you're going to upload your website, your the zip file I just showed you. Now you click on upload it here. Once you're done uploading it, the next thing for you to do now, you're going to extract it. Once you extract, this is what you're going to see. Now once you extract and see this, okay, let me just do this again and repeat this again so it will be more understandable. So basically now I'm going to select all. I'm going to delete. Sorry about that. I'm supposed to go to my trash. Sorry, and yes, thank God I did not delete all. The reason why I just say thank God I did not delete is because of I don't really have the file here any longer, so it will take me some time for me to upload again and start doing the setup again. So basically what you just need to know is that once you upload, you get this, right? Once you upload, you get that zip file. You extract the zip file, you're going to see this. That's the next thing you need to know. Now once you're done seeing this, the next thing for you to do is for you to just your URL of your website. You copy the URL of your website, you paste it here, put /install, that's what, and you click on enter. Now once you click on enter, it's going to load, right? Just extra a little patient for it to load completely. Well, I have kind of installed my already, so it's going to load, right? So once you click on this, it's going to take you to a page like this, right? Now these are all the requirements you need to meet up with 7.4 PHP version and the rest. Now if you have any issue with this stuff, you're going to go to your PHP manager, you click on extension, then you're going to see how to solve any of this problem. Yeah, so you press next. Once everything here is good to go, you press next. Now you get to this point now. Yeah, if you have any problem with this, you check this particular URL. This is core folder, then you check this is cache, right? This is storage, this is app, this is framework log. Then you go to your cPanel, you go to that particular folder like this. If you have any problem with, you visit the storage. Now you right click on it, you change the permission to 775. See, I've changed my already. By clicking here, it will be by default it will be 755. Then you click here to change to 775. So same thing you're going to do for the bootstrap also, right? The bootstrap also, you right click here, the cache, and you change the permission also to 775. That's how you do it. Yeah, right? So don't bother yourself about this code. If you want to get code, you can just check the description link below. You can DM me, send me a DM or something like that. And if you have any problem at all, you can make comment on the comment section. So basically, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm also going to be giving out some script for free along the line in my channel. I just want to get more subscribers and more watch hours. That's basically what I need. So once you're done doing that, you're good to go. You just press next. Once everything is on check, then you go to put localhost here. You can see everything is filled up already. First of all, you put the URL of your website here. That's what you put here. And next thing now, you're going to create a database. So you go to your database cPanel, and basically just go to your cPanel. Just hold on this sec, and we're just going to type MySQL database wizard. Then you click here, so you can just type in and create the database. So I kind of like using the same word when creating my database. So I'm going to forget the, I'm just going to use the same thing as the password, and then you can just create this database. Now you're done. Once you're done creating database, why instead of waiting for this, I'm done creating database, I'm just going to go back to this. Okay, you go back to here first, you click on allow all privileges, then you click on make changes. That's all you need to do. Yes, first. Once you're done doing that, just is why this is loading, you can just go ahead and go to this particular page here. I'm filling this place as database name, database username, database name, and database password, because I use the same name for all three. Now I'm going to give my name, this is username to the admin, this is the password, this is the email. Then I'm going to install. Now once I install this, already I've installed this in another database already, so it's maybe having clash, or basically I'm just going to delete that database. I've already installed it in one particular database, so you just click on install though, and once you click on install, it's going to install. Once you're done installing it, you're good to go. That's all you need to do. So since I already have a existing database, it's not going to install because I've installed a database already to this, but that's what you need to do. So once you're done doing that, you can just come to the website and load up the website. Now once you load up the website, you're going to see the default you're going to see the default template, which is by default it should be the purple one. Let me go back here. This should be activated by default. So you're going to see this by default, the purple one. So this is what you're going to see by default, right? So you can just sign up. So it's not going to take anything, you can just sign up. So and register, right? And once you're done registering, this is what you're going to see as the interface, right? Wow, kind of look nice, right? So I just finished registering. Now if you notice, did not request for any authentication, basically because of from the admin I did not allow that. So you can see this by default, you have $500 by default. I can also change that from the admin. So I just want to show you how it looks like on the phone. So this is the phone view of how it's going to look like, right? This is movable, and this is like this phone view, right? So basically I'm just going to show you other stuff you need to know about this. So for instance, let me just go to admin again, and now if I activate this particular white guy here, so let me activate this. So you see the dashboard is going to change also, so you see how the dashboard is going to look like. So now let me just refresh this dashboard and see. You can see the dashboard just change. You can see changing it looks like you're doing a different site entirely. So you can see it has changed also. So we can go ahead also and activate this guy also, which is the green theme, and see how it's going to look like. Now basically that's all functionality that every other investment platform has, like you can withdraw, deposit, and credit. That's every other thing you can think of or imagine. So you can also add your automatic payment or manual payment. I told you about that initially, but I just want to show you. You can see this is another design entirely. You can also use the design if you prefer this, and each design, each template has a different dashboard you can see. So basically I'm going to activate this last one, so I just want you to see how the last one looks like also. So you can see this particular script is kind of unique in an instance. So if you need this, you can just hit me on inbox. So this is the last design. You can see the last design. So basically that's how it works. Yeah. So as a user, you can actually fund the user, credit the user, or do a lot of things to the user. So you can just check user, and you can see, I'm sure you're going to see me there, the one I just registered here now, right? You can see my details and every other thing you need to know about me. So I have $500 by default deposit. You can remove that if you want to remove that, and my balance and the rest. There's nothing special about me. So basically, I can, for me myself, to decide to just request for a payment. Like I can decide to make payments or deposit, something like that. So if I were to make payment or something like that, or deposit, let me just say, for instance, I want to make payment, they have default. By default, these are all in, right? So I can just decide to pay using a payment gateway to be precise. So all these are automatic payments. You can see them, all these are automatic payments here by paying PayPal, Stripe, and the rest, right? So all these automatic payments that are currently here. So if I decide to make payment from any of these, and just say this, so you can see the rates. You can also change rates from the admin. There are a lot of things you can do basically. So I've deposited successfully. Now basically this is just one. This is because the automatic payments. If I change to manual payments, I can change to manual payments and the rest. So for instance, now a user just make a particular deposit, and I want to know if the user so this is active. If you take note of this, of everything we've done so far, you're going to notice so this is the charge. You can change all this. This is the amount, so I can try to accept or reject if I want to, if I actually receive the deposit. So basically you want to know the reason why KYC was not requested, because of I did not activate SMS, or because if in order for you to activate SMS, you need the SMS API. So but for this, you can decide to activate, and it's going to send this only when I've set up this email, right? This email, configure my email. We're creating an email. If you want to configure email, kind of very easy to configure email. See this email here now, right? I don't know if you're new. If you're new, you can just go to the settings. Guys, go to your cPanel, click here. It's kind of taking a lot of time. Why this is loading? I can just decide to just change it into something nice, because I kind of prefer this. So you can just go to this email and just create an email. You can create an email. Once you don't create an email, you can just copy the email username, the password, and by default 465 will be the port, and every other thing is already set already. So that's what you just need to do. So I believe we should not create email. If you don't know, you can also watch. Just watch. So this is the this is the domain. So I'm going to call this info, right? So I'm going to generate a password. I'm just going to click and copy and create this, right? So while this is loading, I'm just going to go back to my, let me take this off, go back to the email, general setting, no, sorry, click here, configure email. Now you can just know this is the password, right? So I'll paste my password here. I'll go back to my email. I'm just going to copy my email, paste my email here. I'm going to paste it here, right? Every other thing is the same thing. Should be either TSL or SSL. So let me just update the email first. So update is successful. So basically now with this, you can just go ahead and activate. If you still find a problem when you're trying to log in and you're not receiving any OTP or something like that, change this to SSL. You understand? So basically you can just go to the general settings, and from general setting I believe you can just change the you can just decide to just turn on this, right? Once you turn on this, everything is going to work fine. Yeah, thank you very much. You can also change the logo. If you want to change the logo, the black logo. Also, you want to change it, change icon. You want to change icon. There's some images you can change. If you want to change for the front end, just like what I said earlier, there are a lot of things you can do with this website. These are gateway settings you can work on. These are what I'm talking about. Gateway settings that's what I'm talking about concerning automatic payment gateway. Those are the gateway settings. So basically, I can decide if you check when we want to make payment, everything here was automatic. You can decide to just turn them on or turn them off if you want to turn them off. That's how it works. So by saying allow as payment methods, if I said no and I update, I'm not going to see it at that side any longer. So that's how it works basically. So you can see different functionality of this particular script. So if you kind of need it, don't forget to just hit me in the inbox. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay tuned and remember, if you have any problem, you can just hit me up or just write something in the comment section. Thank you for watching this tutorial.